Avoiding common mistakes with should. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to discuss one of the most commonly used modal verbs in English, should. More importantly, we'll focus on some common mistakes made while using this verb and learn how to avoid them. Remember, mastering the nuances of should can take your English language skills to the next level. Should is a modal verb often used to give advice or talk about something that is right or correct to do. Let's start with an example. I think you should drink more water. Here, should is used to give advice. However, learners often make mistakes in its usage. Mistake 1. Incorrect verb form after should. Remember, after should, we always use the base form of the verb. Some learners incorrectly use the ing form or the past tense, but that's a mistake. For example, incorrect, you should drinking more water. Correct, you should drink more water. Incorrect, you should drink more water. Correct, you should drink more water. Mistake 2. Using to after should. Another common mistake is using to immediately after should. The correct usage is should, followed directly by the base form of the verb. Incorrect, you should to go to the doctor. Correct, you should go to the doctor. Negative form. When we want to use should in the negative form, we simply add not after it, forming should not, or the contracted form shouldn't. Example, you should not smoke, or you shouldn't smoke. Question form. To form questions with should, we change the order of the subject and should. For example, statement, you should go to the doctor. Question, should you go to the doctor? And that's it for today. I hope this guide on avoiding common mistakes with the modal verb should has been helpful. Remember, the best way to learn is practice, practice, and more practice. So, keep practicing and you'll find that you can use should correctly and confidently in no time. Happy learning!